In this video, I will show you how do you comment anonymously on a Facebook group. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. And to get started, the first thing that you will need to do is to open Facebook on your device and make sure you're signed in into your account. Now go ahead and head over into that specific group that will allow you to comment and post anonymously. In here, go ahead and scroll down and select a post where you want to comment. So the anonymous feature is actually only available for those groups that have their anonymous feature enabled. So click on your profile photo and set this into anonymous member. Now you can simply comment on posts as an anonymous member. Now if you're an anonymous member, while you comment on posts on the page, no one will ever know your Facebook account on that page. And even the moderator or the owner of the group won't be able to know who that specific anonymous member is commenting on that specific post. And that's basically how you can comment anonymously on a Facebook group. We hope this video helped you out. If it did, please don't forget to give it a like. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.